To backup your OPPO A80 5G, you've got two methods. You can do online backup or local. So first of all, you will have to open the settings, click on search and input backup phrase. Now scroll, and as you can see here, you can find local backup. So you can create new backup by clicking here, and now you can select everything that you want to actually keep on your phone. But you can also do this online into the Google account by selecting Google Backup. So now you will have to select this automatic restore. I can highly recommend you to do this. And now you can click here to backup. You have to click here. And as you can see, you will have to click on this switcher to enable backup by Google One. And if you are using this function, you have to click to backup now. And now our device will back up automatically over the Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. So that's how we can do this automatically, and that's how we can do this manually. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.